No one is born with self confidence. Self confidence is learned and earned with experience. With that good thought, welcome again in online chemistry class. This is Mr. Naresh Jangid. In previous class, we have discussed about reaction of haloalkane with metals, reduction of haloalkane and dihalogen derivatives. First of all, today we are going to discuss about homework question. So, question was write down the possible structures of dihalogen derivatives of propane. Very important question. Solution is in propane molecule, these are two hydrogen atoms replaced from same or different carbon atoms, then dihalogen derivatives of propane are obtained. So for dihalogen derivatives of propane is as follow. First is here both halogen atoms are present on first carbon. Second is prop mean 3 carbon. Second dihalogen derivatives of propane is here both halogen atoms are present on second carbon. Third dihalogen derivatives of propane is here halogen atoms are present on first and second carbon atom. And fourth and last is here both halogen atoms are present on first and third carbon atom. I hope your answer will be right. Important question. Now next, second question. Question was very important question. Arrange following compounds in increasing order of BP: ethyl bromide, ethyl chloride, and iodoethane or ethyl iodide. Very important. Solution is here. We know that BP is directly proportional to molar mass. Iodine has more molar mass than bromine and chlorine. So, solution will be in increasing order of BP, ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, and ethyl iodide. So simple and important question for your board examination. I hope your answers are right. Let us begin today class. It is so important class for you. Today we take some multiple choice questions for your homework. These are so important questions from your previous online classes. Every question has 1 mark. There are 20 questions, therefore it is a 20 marks paper for you. Solve all 20 questions for fully honesty and check your progress. Are you a honest student? Yes or no? I think yes. I will check it from these 20 questions paper. So, first question is example of haloalkane is Option A methyl chloride, B iodobenzene, C both, D nota. Nota means none of the above. Second question is the increasing order of dipole moment is very important. Methyl chloride, methyl bromide, methyl fluoride. Options A. In option B, methyl bromide, methyl fluoride, methyl chloride. In option C, methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide. And D nota. What will be answer? Now next question third, C. Anti-Markovnikov rule of HBr is not shown by 1-butene, propane, pent-2-in, but-2-in. Fourth question, the reaction given below known as monocarboxylic acid salt plus Br2 in CCl4, then alkyl bromide is formed as a major product and byproduct is CO2 plus AgBr. Option A Wurtz reaction, B Darjan reaction, C Schwartz reaction, D Hunsadecker reaction. Fifth question is the best reagent to prepare chloroalkane from alcohol. Very important question. A HCl plus ZnCl2, B is PCl3, C both, and D thionyl chloride SOCl2. Now next sixth question is tertiary alkyl halide are inert towards SN2 mechanism. The reason for it is option A instability, B is I effect mean inductive effect, C steric hindrance effect, D nota. Now next seventh question, excess amount of ethyl chloride when treated with ammonia, then we get ethane, methylamine, tetraethyl ammonium chloride, and last option dimethyl ammonia. Now next eighth question, question 8. When propyl halide is heated with alcoholic base like NaOH, then we get propane, propyl alcohol, propane nitrile, propene. Now next question 9. For the following bromide, iodide and chloride, the increasing order of nucleophilicity would be option A chloride in increasing order. I repeat, option A chloride, bromide, iodide, B iodide, bromide and chloride, C iodide, chloride and bromide, and D option nota. Question 10. Which of the following reaction is an example of ASN reaction? A is Rx plus KOH converted into alcohol plus HX. B option is haloalkane is reacted with magnesium in presence of ether, then alkyl magnesium halide is formed. C Rx plus 2H then converted into RH plus HX, and D Rx plus sodium metal then alkane and sodium halide is formed. What will be answer for example of nucleophilic substitution reaction? Now question 11. Which of the following compounds has the highest BP? Very important question. N propyl chloride, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, Cl. Draw its structure. Option C butyl chloride and D tertiary butyl chloride. What will be the answer for highest BP? Now question 12. Reaction of haloalkane with aromatic compounds in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 is known as Beckmann rearrangement, Friedel-Crafts reaction, both, and last option nota. Question 13. Reaction of methyl chloride with aqueous NaOH involves SN2 mechanism, racemization, SN1 mechanism, inversion of configuration. Very important question. Question 14. Which of the following shows SN1 reaction most readily? Chlorobenzene, second compound, third compound, and fourth compound. What will be the answer? Now next question for 15. Following is the substitution reaction in which chloride replaced by cyanide. RCl plus alcoholic aqueous cation, then alkyl cyanide is formed. To obtain propane nitrile, alkyl chloride should be. Very important question. Option A 1 chloropropane, option B chloromethane, C chloroethane, and last D option is 2 chloropropane. Question 16. The age of dehydrohalonation of haloalkane with alcoholic KOH is 3 degree smaller than 2 degree and 2 degree greater than 1 degree. B option increasing in order 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. Option C decreasing order 3 to 1 degree, and D 3 degree is greater than 2 degree and 2 degree is smaller than 1 degree. What will be the answer here? Now next question 17. Which one of the following reaction proceeds through free radical chain mechanism? Important question. Addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide on acetone. B. Addition of HBr on ethane. C. Halogenation of benzene in the presence of FeBr3. And D. Photochemical chlorination of methane. What will be the answer? Question 18. Which of the following is not true for SN1 reaction? Very important question. A is favored by polar solvent. B is 3 degree alkyl halide generally react with through SN1 reaction. C 1 degree alkyl halide generally react through SN1 reaction. And D, the rate of the reaction does not depend upon the molar concentration of the nucleophile. Question 19, second last. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Reactant and products. First is RX plus AgOH, then alkane is formed. Second is alkyl halide react with alcoholic AgCN, then alkyl isocyanide is formed. Third is alkyl halide is treated with alcoholic cation, then alkyl isocyanide is formed. And fourth is alkyl halide is treated with sodium in presence of ether, then alkane is formed. Option A first and second, B alone first, C second and third, D second and fourth. Now next last question. The correct IUPAC name of the following compound is compound A, option B, C and D. What will be the answer? Now we are read general methods of preparation of dihalogen derivatives. First of all, for geminal dihalide, first method is from carbonyl compound. From carbonyl compounds. When carbonyl compounds mean aldehyde and ketone, in which carbon and oxygen have double bonded. So I repeat, when carbonyl compounds react with PCl5, then geminal dihalides are formed. For example, it is aldehyde react with PCl5, then geminal dihalide is formed, and byproduct is phosphorus oxychloride. It is ketone. Ketones are treated with PCl5, then geminal dihalides are formed. Now a question for homework. Question is identify A in following reaction: A plus PCl5, then product will be ethylene chloride. So I repeat, identify A in following reaction. Reaction is A plus BCl5, then product will be ethylene chloride. Second method is from alkyne. From alkynes, an alkyne react with HX, then geminal dihalide is obtained. We have already discussed about this reaction in 11th class. For example, it is ethane molecule. When ethane is treated with HCl, then geminal dihalide is formed like ethylidene chloride. Here 2 pi bonds cleavage between carbon-carbon bond and 4 new sigma bonds are formed. Here 2 sigma bonds are formed on each carbon atom. Therefore, ethylidene chloride is formed by ethane. I hope you liked this video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.